Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Toyota RAV4 key fob battery. First, gather your tools: a small flathead screwdriver, a new CR2032 coin cell battery, and a soft cloth. These items will help you complete the process smoothly and protect your key fob from scratches. Having everything ready makes the battery replacement quick and easy. Next, remove the emergency key from the bottom of your key fob. Look for a small notch or slot where the emergency key was removed. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. Gently twist the screwdriver to pry open the two halves of the key fob casing. Be careful not to force it, as the internal components are delicate. Once the key fob is open, you will see the old battery. Before removing it, take note of which way the positive side is facing. Use your small flathead screwdriver to gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it, ensuring the plus side is facing upwards. It should snap securely into place. Finally, carefully align the two halves of your key fob casing. Press them firmly together until you hear them click securely into place. Reinsert the emergency key. Now, test all the functions of your key fob, such as locking and unlocking your vehicle, to ensure everything is working correctly. You've successfully replaced your battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.